Hello everyone, welcome to Atomic Cat Tutorials. Today we are starting with the basics in Catia. We will be looking at the basic settings you need to know to get comfortable. So let's jump in and optimize your Catia from the start. If you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more cat tips. So first setting we will see, we will go to the tools, then options, and under the general we will go and turn this on, the no atomic backup under the data save. So this will increase speed while designing. So if you are often forget to save the part, then you should turn on the atomic backup every 30 minutes, or you can change the minutes to 15 or 10 minutes to save your part. Okay, so I will be turning on the no atomic backup. Okay, and after that we will go to the under the general tab only, we will go forward and go to the PCS, and this is the undo stack setting. So you should change it to the maximum 99 undo stack, as this is important setting, as the most of the time you will go back if something does not work or whole part goes into update and becomes red. So please remember this one and make the undo stack to 99. So we will go to the next setting. Under the general we will go to the display, and then we will go to the navigation. Under the navigation we will turn on the highlight faces and edges. So this is for easily knowing which faces and edges you are going to select. So if you are going on some face or edge, that will that will be already highlighted uh, because of this setting. So this will be useful in understanding more clearly. So we will go to the next setting. Under the general display, and we will go to the performance. Under this we will change these values to 0.01. So after changing this setting, these highlighted circles are not that smooth. So we will change after the change of the setting. This will be much smoother. We can see it in the part or in the sketch that the 2D 3D accuracy and 2D accuracy is improved. So we will go to the next setting. Under the general display we will go to the visualization. Under the visualization we will turn off this graduated color background. This will be helpful if you are taking snapshots or you are making PPT of the part, then this will be helpful to remove the background color. So for the next setting we will go to the under the general tab we will go to the compatibility, and then we will go to the graphics format. Go forward, and there is the graphics format. Under the graphics format you should tick this one, save multi-sheet document in single vectorial file, under the export save as tab. So this setting will save uh, if you have if your drawing has multiple sheets, if you save that before this setting turning on, so that will make PDFs. If you save it as PDF, that drawing, then that drawing will be saved under the different sheets with different PDF. So if you need whole drawing in the which means every every sheet in the one single PDF file, then you should turn on this multi-sheet document in a single vectorial file. Okay, so we will go to the next setting. Under the general tab we will go to the parameters and measures. We will tick this parameter tree. Under the knowledge we will tick these with formula and with value. So what will this do, that if we are going to add a parameter to any sketches or any dimensions, then that parameters value and formula will be already shown. So you can see under that, or below the uh, these planes. Okay, so we will go to the next setting. Under the general, we will go to the units. Under this we can change any unit of the anything you needed that the unit needs to change, then you can change it under the under these, say by selecting the length, angle, time, mass, whatever it may be. So you can change that under this, and I can select meter, centimeter, but for now we will need millimeter only. So next setting, we will go to the infrastructure, then we will go to the product structure, and under that we will go to the cache management. So this will cache activation, we will turn this setting on, and we will make this cache size to the 1.5 lakh. So what will this do, that this will make your cache size, this will increase, and your parts will be load much faster. If you are already open that part, and if you are opening that again, this will make that easier. So working fast, this should be activated, and the value will be 1.5 lakh. So for the next setting, we will go to the product visualization. Same under the product structure, we will go to the product visualization, and under these we will activate these do not activate default shapes on open. So what will this do, that if we open any product, then this will open in a CGR mode, so it will be load much quicker. If you want to get a section, or if you want to get a view of the product, this will make this easier. This will not open any history of the part or anything, that because of that this it will open quicker. So if you need to edit any history of the part, you should go to the product and right click on it, and then you should go and activate terminal nodes. So that will open all the history of the part, and you can change the change anything if you want. Okay, so we will go to the next setting. Under the infrastructure tab, we will go to the part infrastructure. So under these we will change it to the change and make update to manual. So manual, so this will enable manual updating of the part after updating any operation. So what will this do, what will automatic will do, that that will enable, that will automatic update will update it, and if any problems occur, it will leave part in the red, which will be confusing. So it will go directly to the error, and it will confuse if you are a new user, and it will be confusing for the users. So manually updating only changed operation to see if any error occurs is good. So if you are changing one thing, and then that only you should update and check if any problems are occurring or not, and then you should update all of the history or tree. Yes, this is for clear understanding. So always keep it under the manual, so manually update everything. So we will go to the next setting, that will be under the display. We will go and change the this axis system display size to the 30. This will make axis system or planes will make bigger, and you can this is for clear understanding of the axis and plane. You should, or you can select it much easier if that are big. So for the next setting, we will go to the part document, and under this we will check if the enable hybrid design is on or off. You should always disable this if this is enabled. So this is already this is the very much important setting that you should see before starting your work, that it is disabled. So geometrical set and surfaces and other constructing elements from the surfacing or generative shape design should be in the geometric sets only. So the uh, hybrid design is strictly prohibited by all OEMs, as it is not standard practice, and part tree should be simple. That is why this is disabled. So please make sure that this is disabled always. Okay. So without checking this setting is enabled or disabled, don't start working, and disable this setting if it is enabled. Okay. So we will go next to the mechanical design for the next setting, and under the assembly design we will go to the DME sectioning. Under the DME sectioning we will go below under the result window, and we will select the tile vertically option. So what this will do, that if you are taking a section on a product, then that will automatically tile vertically. So this is where your part will be, and after that the on the side this will be your section. So it will automatically do that. So turn on this tile vertically option, so it will be easier for you to get sections. So we will move on to the next setting. Under the drafting, go to the manipulators. So under the manipulators, you should turn these all of these on. Under the creation and under the modification, you should turn on all of these settings, as this will help in you in the drafting or drawing. So these are all the settings under the option. So click OK. So we will see the settings under the customize. So go to the tools, customize, and under the start menu select all of the workbenches you need to uh, be on the you can select it the quick options, or you can quickly activate these workbenches. So that is why you need to take it from this list to right side. So I will take drafting is missing, so I will take that in here. Okay. So for the part design I will assign a shortcut key that will quickly take me to the part design. So I will assign control and plus 1. So when I press control 1, it will take me to the part design. And generative shape control 2, I will assign control 2, control plus 2. So for the assembly I will assign control plus 3. So these are all assigned. I will not assign drafting any shortcut key, as we will use this one much less. So we will go to the next settings. Under the toolbars, we will go to the under toolbars. If you are if any toolbar is missing which you don't know the name of, then use this, as this will bring all of the default toolbars. So you should restore all the contents, okay, and restore position. So this will make all of the missing toolbars and that you don't know any names of. So that will restore to all positions, and all of the content will be back. So we will go to the next setting. Under the commands, we will go to the clear history. So clear history, we will directly drag it and place it somewhere here. So this is the way you can see the small rectangle is there. So I will leave this. So this will be the clear history option. So to clear any previously opened part link, so double click on this after closing any part, and it will not take link to the new part. So both of if there is a condition where both parts have same name but they are different parts, sometimes Catia takes link of that part to newly opened part. So to avoid that, you should add this setting. You should double click on this after closing the previous part before opening new. So we'll go to the next setting. So we will add shortcut key to the hide and show. So for that, we will go to the view and click here and press H until the hide and show comes. So I have pressed it 2 times. So hide and show at this is there. So this is already assigned for the KP space, but I will show you how to assign. So I will go to the other option, click here, press K until the KP space appears. So KP space here it is. So I will add this. So it is assigned. Now the space bar is the shortcut key for the hide and show of the part. So part, geometrical set, any surface, any line you want to hide or show, then you should enter the space bar. So for the next setting, we will assign a shortcut key to fit all in. For fit all in, this is right above the hide and show. So for this, we will assign control plus 4. You can assign it by control and plus 4. So after pressing control 4, your part will get fit in the frame. So then close the customize option, and for the graphics options, just press right click on this empty space and press G, or directly select the graphics properties. I press G for it as it is shortcut. So pressing G will occur this graphics property occur there, and you can change the color, you can change the line thickness and the line type. Okay, so there is another setting to align viewpoint. So we will go to the tools, then customize, and then we will go to the commands. In commands, we will go to the all commands, and then we will find align viewpoint. So there it is. So this is align viewpoint. You can drag this and drag it to any toolbar. So this will show like this button. So close this, and then we will randomly move the part, and then use this button. It will automatically align to that particular axis. So if I moved it like this and then click, it is also aligned to Z. Okay, that's it for today's atomic CAD tutorial on basic Catia settings. What other fundamental topics would you like to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.